To install DeepSeek R1 locally, I'll first open my browser and search for Ollama. This handy tool lets you run AI models directly on your computer. I'll hit download, and while that's working, I'll check out the models section. Here's DeepSeek R1. I'll click on it and choose a version. Bigger models are smarter but need more power. I'll go with the 1.5B version since it's a good balance. There's a command here that I'll need to install it. I'll copy that for later. Now back to my downloads folder, I'll open the Ollama installer and click through the setup. Next, I'll open PowerShell. Don't worry, it's just a terminal, nothing scary. Here's where I'll paste that command from the website and press enter. Now it's downloading DeepSeek R1. It'll take a while, but once it's done, boom. It says send a message. I can now chat with DeepSeek AI Locally. But hold up, this is just a plain text interface. I want something that looks more like ChatGPT, not a hacker's command prompt. For that, I'll install Docker. This will give me a nice, clean interface to chat with DeepSeek. I'll search for Docker, download it, and choose my operating system. Then I'll go back to Downloads, open the installer, and run through the setup. After installation, I'll restart my PC to make sure everything is set up properly. Once I'm back, I'll open Docker, create an account, and skip any surveys. Now both Ollama and Docker are running. Next, I need to start the Open Web UI container, basically the thing that gives me a proper chat interface. I'll find the correct command online. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, there's a special command you can use to make DeepSeek run faster by leveraging your GPU's power, copy it, and paste it into PowerShell. Hit enter, and now it's setting everything up. When it's done, I'll get a little pop-up asking for permissions. I'll allow that. One last thing, I'll check Windows features, look for virtual machine platform, and make sure it's enabled. That's important for Docker to work properly. Now, back in Docker, I'll see a new container running. Clicking on it will open the DeepSeek chat interface. I'll log in, and boom! I have DeepSeek R1 running locally, offline, type in a prompt, and wait for the response. It might take a moment, but it works. If I ever want to stop using it, I can go back to Docker and stop the container. And if I want to uninstall everything, I'll go to the control panel, uninstall Docker and Ollama. Then open File Explorer, go to C drive, Users, my username, and delete the Docker and Ollama folder. But wait, what's this? A little penguin has appeared? That's WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. To remove that, I'll go back to Windows Features. Find WSL, turn it off, restart my PC, and just like that, no more penguin.